and friends. Palakpakan tagin sila. Okay, they're here with us, joining us in our tree planting activity. We also will have with us the barangay officials of Barangay Balabago. District of Haro. They're here with us. So we have Kagawad Rose, Berico, Kagawad, Camille Kagawad Rose. Okay, could you yung balik ko sino ari pa dire?
Kagawad Sumalatar.
Kagawad Dark Sumalatar is also here.
Mr. Velasco.
Mr. Velasco is also here. Our former secretary, Barangay Secretary, Mr. Rodolfo Grajo, and our General Services. Our SK Chairman is also here. SK Kagawad is also here. Okay, so we would like to welcome everyone. As you know that 1 year ago, that is June 21 and 22, we experienced Typhoon Frank. And this is the area which is most hit because the flood really passed by this place, and this was a disaster for everyone. So now, this is an answer to our call to our environment. We are going to plant langka trees, fruit-bearing trees, jackfruit trees, because we believe that this could help us in our environment, and at the same time, the jackfruit could bear fruit after 3 years, and this could be harvested, and those people who live along the area who need some food or some livelihood, they could always use the fruit of the jackfruit. Okay, so we would like to thank every member. We would like to thank every member of the Iloilo City Host Lions Club, our incoming president, Lion Greg Sancho, and our chairperson of the Environment Committee. Our chairperson is going to provide us with the snacks, Lion Linda Butcher. Thank you for helping our environment. So let us plant trees, because as what Carlos P. Romero has said, that to be long remembered and to make history, we should write a book, sire a child, and plant a tree. So let history remember the Iloilo City Host Lions Club because of the trees that we planted along the coastal road. So thank you and good morning to everyone.